Finally, nakahanap na kami ng legit Vietnamese coffee in Metro Manila, as in pasok sa banga. Hey friends! Ang dami na naming natry na Vietnamese coffee pero laging may kulang. Dito sa Viet Lasa though, para na kaming nakabalik sa Vietnam. Biggest downside lang dito is the parking. Their menu has a lot of drinks pero yung food medyo limited, which sa amin not an issue naman. Sa kape agad tayo and we got 3 drinks kasi nga yan yung specialty nila. Kuhang-kuha yung lasa ng bold and strong coffee with creaminess and sweetness na hindi nakaka-overpower. Tapos medyo chocolatey. Favorite namin is the egg coffee. Next naman yung sea salt latte na parang tumatapang yung lasa ng coffee because of the salt. Last is the coconut coffee na masarap pa rin naman talaga pero hindi lang kami biggest fan ng lasa ng parang coconut oil. As for the food, simple but good yung orders namin. First time to try sticky rice so not sure how it compares sa Vietnam but happy kami dito. The rice is fragrant with a bit of sweetness tapos sticky and chewy na satisfying. Love all the different toppings dito sa special. Favorite namin yung dried shrimp. In fairness, solid naman yung banh mi. The bread is crispy outside, soft inside, hindi nakakasugat ng ngala-ngala. May cold cuts, liver pate, and pickles pero walang cilantro. Sana meron kahit konti. Then walang chili sauce but you can request naman. Overall, so happy especially with their coffee. Dito pa lang kami na-satisfy ng Vietnamese coffee cravings namin but if you have other suggestions, let me know in the comments. That's it friends. Bye!